Nelson-Jameson aimed to provide expert industry knowledge and support to Suntado for the creation and startup of a new food manufacturing facility. The primary objective was to ensure the successful establishment and operational readiness of the new plant. Nelson-Jameson aimed to develop and implement key food safety programs for color coding, signage, sanitation, PPE, lab testing, inventory management, and preventative maintenance. The team offered technical support for selecting and installing equipment and developing processes tailored to the plant's needs. These objectives were crucial to both parties, for Nelson-Jameson to strengthen a new industry partnership and for Suntado to achieve a seamless startup and sustained operational success. Nelson-Jameson's dedication to Suntado was exemplified by an ongoing commitment to exceptional service. This commitment transcended the plant opening, underscoring the strategic nature of the partnership and its focus on ensuring long-term successes for both parties. Explore Nelson-Jameson's solutions for your operational success.